Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you are interested, I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. Libras. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Strength in reverse, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Temperance. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Libras, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, in this relationship. So Libras, you have people around you who are who are not capable or skilled like you. So some kind of they don't have that skill and talents. So you are trying hard, you may be advising them or you are giving them suggestions because of your position. You may be in an important place in your life. Maybe you are a team manager or CEO, someone who holds a position in work. So you are suggesting them, giving them ideas what needs to be done, but they see you as someone who is trying to be dominating, controlling, and using their authority to make them work in a particular way, and they feel really stressed, and that again may be causing some troubles in your work situation, guys, Libras. And or maybe for some of you, you have some addictions, guys. These addictions are affecting your work potential. So you are trying to control them, trying to find that balance, trying to go for moderation, but all your efforts are going for a waste. You are unable to control, guys. So some kind of worries because of that also. And maybe you don't have that clear thought because of these addictions, and you are spending too much maybe, and you are finding some difficulties in your finances. So again, that may be the reason for a certain worrying situation, guys. And there is some kind of stressful thing happening today, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are getting a bad news. Maybe in your work, it may be related to your work. Maybe some project suspensions or some delays may happen. So some kind of a bad news today, guys. But I also see that whatever your situation is, maybe some things are good, but some things are going bad. But you are trying to find that balance, trying to adapt in your situation, and you are trying to heal in your situation, guys. So that is what I see, Libras. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So we have the Fool. Maybe in this love, in this relationship, you are simply rushing without thought. You are having dreams, or you are living in your dream world, and you are quite immature in the way you handle your situation, guys. So you are not thinking about the future of this love, future of this connection, and you have your impulses or instincts guiding you today, and that may be the reason for troubles. And you see you are in an an adventure mode. You just want to take it easy, have this relationship with this person and go easy, have fun. But that person, they may have a different view about this connection, guys. Maybe they want a more serious outlook on life or outlook on this relationship. So that may be the reason for some troubles, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Six of Swords. So with this card, maybe for some of you, you are getting promoted, traveling to a different city or a place for work. Maybe a change is coming in your work situation, guys. It may be a promotion or some kind of a move to a different place of work. And maybe you're traveling for work, guys, to a different state or a different country. So that is the energy here, guys, with these cards. If you are interested, Libras, stay tuned for that fairy tale special pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So, in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So, you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.